Hi there, and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to configure and manage user fields within contact forms and agent forms in BoldDesk. User fields in BoldDesk capture and display important contact and agent details, enabling personalized and efficient support. First, the required roles and permissions to manage these settings must be turned on. The user's role should have the create or edit contact and manage fields and forms permissions. To turn them on, log in to your BoldDesk account as an administrator and open the Admin Center. Select the Roles and Permissions setting from the left side panel. By default, these permissions are available only to the account owner for the Contact and Admin modules, respectively. However, you can grant permissions to roles such as Support Administrator, Support Manager, and Agents. Open the Agent's permission settings, enable the Create or Edit Contact permission in the Contact module, and enable the Manage Fields and Forms permission from the Admin module. You can also create a custom role and assign the necessary permissions. Next, I will show you how to manage user fields. Select User Fields from the Fields and Forms drop-down to open the User Fields page. You can see two additional tabs: Contact Form, which displays the list of fields used when adding a contact, and Agent Form, which shows the fields used when adding an agent. In the User Field tab, you will find a list of system fields. Additionally, you can add custom fields by clicking on Add User Field. This opens the field configuration page. Here, choose the field type from the drop-down, then enter the label for both the agent and customer portals. Provide the API field name, optionally add a note message, specify its display position, and choose whether the field should appear on the contact form, agent form, or both. You have the option to define a field display condition and to select the field's visibility in the agent portal or the customer portal. If the field type is drop-down, make sure to enter all the drop-down option values. Once everything is filled out, click Add Field. Moving on to the Contact Form tab, you will find lists of primary and other fields, which include both system-defined and custom fields. To add a new or existing field, click the Add Field drop-down and select New to create a new one, or select Existing to reuse an existing field. To display a field in the Requester panel on the Contact Details section of a ticket, drag it from the Other Field section to Primary. If you no longer want the field to appear in the Requester panel, you can drag it from Primary Fields to Other Fields. Next, let us move to the Agent Form tab. These are the fields shown when you are adding an agent. Like the contact form, this section includes both primary and other fields. To make a field visible in the Requester panel on the Agent Details section of the ticket, drag it from the Other Fields section to the Primary Fields section. You can add a new field or select an existing one from the Add Field drop-down. Admins can edit, deactivate, activate, or delete the user fields. Click the Edit icon to update the necessary information on the field configuration page. To deactivate a field, click on the More Options icon, choose Deactivate, and confirm the action. Deactivated fields will be shown with the Inactive tab, and you can reactivate them at any time by selecting the Activate option. A field can be permanently deleted by selecting the Delete option and confirming the action. In the Contact Form tab, you can edit fields using the Edit icon. For fields in the Primary section, click on the More Options icon to either move them to other fields or remove them entirely. If you would like to move a field from other fields back to Primary, select the field and click the More Options icon, then choose Move to Primary Fields. The same can be done for user fields in the Agent Form tab. That is it. You have now seen how to manage user fields, contact forms, and agent forms in BoldDesk. With these tools, you can tailor your help desk experience to suit your business needs more efficiently. If this video was useful, please do not forget to like it for more updates like this. Thanks for watching.